How to get Instacart free delivery promo codes. Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. And in today's video, we will learn how we can get Instacart free delivery promo code. So without further delay, let's get started with this video. So first of all, if you are new to Instacart, you're in luck. So if you sign up Instacart for the first time, Instacart will give you free delivery for your first three order. So for that, you have to spend $10 or more. No promo code required. It will be automatically applied. So if you're new to Instacart, you can make up to three orders, and on your three orders or your first three orders, you will have a free delivery where you do not need any promo code. You could also head over to a new tab and search for Instacart promo code. Scroll down, head over to the first link. So once you're here, scroll through it, and here you have a videos coupon code that you can use. You can view the details and check if you have the free delivery or not. Even if you don't have a free delivery, there are some amount off. You could also check that. To see the details, click on see details, and here you could copy the code or you could directly redeem at Instacart. So that's it. That's how you can get a free delivery promo code on Instacart. And that's all for today's video. Hope this video was helpful, and if you're new to our channel, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more videos.